My name is Oscar. I'm head of IT at Sunpac Inc. in Houston, Texas. Like every company, we have a network of computers and we rely on them for our day-to-day activities. We've had a solution, an IT solution, IT infrastructure for many years, one of them being AVG, and we relied on it and it seemed to be working. We haven't had any major issues, but while talking to Robert, he explained to me what else that we needed to consider, not just antivirus, but we had to look for all the different levels of security vulnerabilities that we may have. And he introduced me to CyberGuard. CyberGuard has been a wonderful solution for us. It's worked since day one. The implementation was quick, it was seamless. Nobody realized that we have a new product protecting our network. When we installed it, right away the first day, we got a notification that there was a vulnerability issue. One of the email attachments was infected, and but the attachment could not be opened because it was already flagged. It was determined that it was a threat. And so when I looked up into the dock, I was able to identify that it was a threat. I went back to the computer, I deleted the message, and there was no harm done. One of the highlights of this product, well, actually a product that comes on top of the CyberGuard, is an IT tool that makes my work a lot easier. There's a lot of functions that I don't need to worry about because the computers are automatically being updated. All the operating system updates are being handled automatically by this tool. Also, all the Windows applications are being updated, and that makes the computer be safe all the time. And I don't have to worry about making sure that everybody's up to date with their applications. Also, there's another feature on top of that is the on-demand training. One key part of every computer network to be safe is the user. We have to make sure that the user understands what not to click, what not to open when there's a potential problem. And there's an on-demand training that we've taken, and it goes through and explains what to look for, how to identify suspicious emails, even though they look or they seem to look official. But if you look closely, you can identify that it's a fraudulent email address. And so we can identify potential problems that way. So we're covering from the user's standpoint, the computers itself, they're being updated automatically all the time. And then also there's this CyberGuard product comes with a CyberGuard insurance. That's also another level that gives us ease of mind when it comes to our network being protected. As far as my function here in the company, I'm responsible, and I have to report that if there's any issues and make sure that everybody is in compliance, where we're not going to be running into any kind of problems with our customers, because anything that affects us is going to affect our customers. So we have that additional peace of mind. The owner and the supervisors, they have the confidence that we're in a better position now than we were before. And so much more that they are starting to implement some of the solutions along with their families. I thought we were okay. I thought we were protected. But once you really looked into how the threats are evolving and they're more complex, this solution, it really gives you peace of mind, because you're actually seeing how the NOC is really proactively protecting your network. They're not like they used to be, where we're reactive. They're proactive. They act before the problem ever even occurs. So that gives you a peace of mind. And as an IT person, you don't have to be concerned about any kind of threats, and you have the confidence that you're doing your work is being done well. I recommend that you guys check AIO Integrations here in Houston.